Beautiful moves in US30 and US100 since last couple of days. Day before, US30 was comparatively less bullish and US100 traded bullish, while yesterday US100 played down and US30 again traded extremely bullish. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Missing out to subscribe, definitely you are missing out on the profit. The next update will be up before the US cash session. Do watch the analysis daily. Now first we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it. Look at the hourly charts. If you ignore this movement and this movement, it is trying to trade with lower highs and trying to get the resistance here. Only long entry is above 13650. Beyond that, yes, you can go long. Then you can look forward to 13700, 750 levels, stronger resistance there. On the upside, on the downside, you just watch out for the zone at 13600. Yes, if you see it trading below 13600, you can go short again. Then 13550, 500 and 450 levels will come into picture. So right now it is trying to still trade with the bearish bias. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic comfortable. MACD trading bearish with very little divergence and RSI looking downwards. The slope is also negative, indicating further bearishness there. Look at the 2-hour charts. Lower highs consistently. Eliminate this. See, it is seen the this is a good swing till towards 13500 and 13700 plus levels, almost 200 300 200 250 points of swing. And yes, the support is anyways at 13600. Yes, if you see it dropping below 13600, definitely it will call for another bearish move, taking it till towards 13550 13500 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bearish, trading with little divergence. RSI is also trading flat. And if you see the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly like on the 3-hour charts too, it is giving you lower highs, flat bottom. Do not trade between 13600 and rather I will say 13680 levels on. Yes, and if you want to take a safe entry, rather we can keep the yesterday's levels 13620 and 13680 in between these levels. Do not trade below 13620. You can again expect 13600 and 580 levels to provide a support. Below 13580, 13550 levels and 13500 will come into picture. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is moderately comfortable there, neither bullish nor bearish. MACD is trading bearish. It is trading with the divergence on the 3-hour charts. RSI is still giving you a negative slope. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, we can see lower highs here and higher lows, waiting for it to give you a breakout. Again, as we saw, 13660 13680 zone. Yes, if you see it trading above 13680, go long. And yes, if you see it trading below 13600, go short. So this is going to be the safe entry, which definitely will preserve your capital. Directional movement is bullish, but it is trying to converge a little. The stochastic is also at comfortable levels, trying to bounce back from here. MACD is bearish. MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and it is bearish on the 4-hour charts. We may see it trading bearish for a little while. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, higher lows, higher highs. So it is trying to create a channel of its own within this, and this is kind of a bullish flag. Let's see if it breaks past 13500 any point of time today. If you see it trading below 13500 today, stay short, and then you can expect it to come back till towards 13400 and 13350 300 zone. 13300 is a very strong support zone. Below that it may break. So you have to be cautious till there. Yes, you can take a short entry at 13600, expect it to drop for 13550 and 13500 levels. Below 13500 it will act extremely bearish. We can expect a good drop. And on the upside, yes, till 13750 it can see the high today. A good swing between 13500 and 13750 cannot be denied. You have to be very attentive. See a green candle, higher lows, higher highs, and the moderately red candle. Now if it is bearish, it has to break this and it has to break below, so that you can confirm that there is bearishness, else it may swing again. So this is one observation on the daily chart. Directional movement extremely bullish. It has to converge. Stochastic extremely overbought. It has to also drop a little. MACD is extremely bullish. It has to also cross over. RSI is also overbought. See, I am looking forward to a drop in Nasdaq, but it is resisting. Let's see if today's Fed minutes release, the FOMC minutes release will decide the direction of future and will decide, the traders will try to read into uh, the minutes in detail and try to configure what can be expected from the next moves, and whether the stance is dovish, whether the stance is hawkish, that we'll get to know, and then traders will decide the direction of the market. Probably I will look forward to a break, but still be cautious till it is above 13,400, 13,350 zone. Yes, till the time it trades above 13,400, 350, we have to be cautious for Nasdaq 100, as it cannot be turned bearish still. So, but also look at the bullishness here. One bullish candle, then the bullishness diminishing, and now the bullishness has diminished further. So here it is seeing the diminished bullishness, and now it is trying to reverse. Possibly you have to be watchful and attentive of 13,500 today. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you like and appreciate my effort, if you want to support the effort, you can become a patron. The cost is hardly nothing, but yes, that is the motivation for me, and definitely you can also get the added benefits there. You can support the cause, and yes, you can ask the queries and to buy one-to-one messaging to me, and there is multiple exclusive content which is lined up for this. This is planned for it. Let's start slowly, but become a patron first, support the cause. So let's the link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts on US. On the hourly charts, a consolidation, then a breakout. It is trying to consolidate again. You have to be watchful of this zone. Now this zone is here at precisely 34,050 levels, and rather I will say 34,100 itself. You can go short at 34,100, then you can expect 34,050, and it may break below 33,950. So below 33,950 it will call for the bears out there. Above 34,200 we can see a little more bullishness there. You have to be attentive in between this zone. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is at comfortable levels. The MACD has crossed over on the hourly chart. This is a bearish cross. Let's see if it sustains and it diverges. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also it is giving you higher lows, lower highs, waiting for it to break out. Do not trade between 34,100 and 200 rather. And yes, below 34,100 you can again expect 34,050, 34,050 is also good support, and then below that 33,950 levels will come into picture. Below that only you can consider that it may drop. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is comfortable looking downwards. MACD is bullish but willing to converge crossover. RSI is overbought, indicates that probably couple of indicators are overbought and it may need a little cooling out there. Now look at the 3-hour chart. Precisely it is trading above the 20 period moving average, and it is trading in this channel. The support here at 33,800 is going to be strong for this. It can drop till there. Possibility exists as it is trying to trade in this channel. We have seen the rally from here, then consolidation, retracement, then a little rise, retracement, then a rise, retracement, and it is precisely honoring the bottom of this channel, which is right now situated at around 33,800, 33,900 levels, and breaking this only you can consider that it may give you a stronger drop, else it may continue to rise. For the day you have to be attentive at 34,100. Below that you can expect 33,050 to provide a support, and below that 33,950. So a specific bearishness beyond 33,900 and 33,800 can be expected. On the upside beyond 34,200 definitely it will call for another rise, and we can see a bullish move again on the upside. So on the 3-hour charts, directional movement is still bullish and it is divergent. If you look at the stochastic, this is also overbought. The MACD is in green, the RSI is overbought here again. So most indicators are trading overbought here. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts to see, after a consolidation phase, it has given a breakout that was a strong bullish candle. Now it is trying to give you classical moves on the 4-hour charts, and they're trying to trade in this channel. The support here on the downside at around 33,700, 800 is going to be very, very strong. Yes, there is a tendency, there is a possibility that it can come down, but it has to now first breathe past this zone at 33,900, 800. Once it breaks past this, definitely a stronger bullish move, bearish move can be expected. Till the time it trades about 33,800, 700, probably we may continue to remain bullish. And look at the last couple of candles here, lower highs, higher lows, willing to give a breakout. And if you see it trading above 33, 34, 200, you can again expect it to remain bullish. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is near to overbought levels. MACD is bullish, RSI is overbought. And look at the daily chart. It is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands at the extremes out there. It failed to breach and sustain above these levels, trying to retrace back on the downside. Look at here. It has the pivot at around 33 800 900 zone. With that as pivot, it has seen the highs, it has seen the lows, and you can find whenever you see it swinging across this, definitely but there is a possibility that it can come back to these levels, which is a very strong support zone too. Directional movement extremely bullish out there. The stochastic extremely overbought out there. Probably look forward to convergence. MACD is wide divergent and bullish. It may start to converge from here. And if you look at the RSI, this is overbought here too. Consistently trading in a overbought level. So considering this, till the time it trades above 34 100 today, do not go short, and below 34 100, yes, you can expect 34050 to provide a support, and then we can again expect 33 950 and 33 900 levels providing it a very strong support, and below that you can expect a further drop till towards 33 820 levels. Below that, if it breaks below, yes, that should be called a bearish move. Then 33 740, and then below that you can expect a good drop. Till the time it trades above 33 800 900, probably it can reverse again, bounce back again, rise again, trade bullish again. So you have to trade with caution. And 34 100, yes, you can take a short entry there. On the upside, you have to go long above 34 200. Beyond 34 200, the target is going to be 34 3, I will say 34 280 and 34 350. Beyond that, we can see it hitting 34 500, and beyond that it will fly further. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade in between 34 100 and 200. Probably it may retrace again a little before it looks forward to a rise. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to put the stop loss. Do not trade without a trading stop loss or a stop loss at cost. At least preserve your capital. In case of a reversal, definitely it will safeguard your profits. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group, become a patron, reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.